Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use circular pattern in Solid Edge. This powerful feature allows you to duplicate selected elements around a central axis, making it perfect for symmetrical designs. You can pattern various elements like features, faces, or even entire bodies. It's a fundamental tool for creating complex geometries efficiently, saving you significant design time and effort. Let's dive into the steps. To begin, locate the circular pattern command within the pattern group on your ribbon. Next, carefully select the specific features or faces you intend to duplicate. Then, you'll need to define the central axis or point around which your pattern will rotate. Finally, specify the total number of instances you desire and the angular spacing between them. This systematic approach ensures accuracy. When setting up your circular pattern, you have several key options. You can specify the exact number of copies, for example, 6 instances for a perfect hexagonal arrangement. Define the angular extent, such as 360 degrees for a full circle or a smaller angle for a partial pattern. You can also choose between fixed or variable spacing and control the pattern's orientation using the direction option. These settings offer great flexibility. For optimal results, always create your initial feature with precision before attempting to pattern it. Utilizing construction geometry to define your pattern center point will ensure accuracy and ease of modification. Always take a moment to review the pattern preview. This helps catch any errors before committing. For very complex designs with many instances, consider the performance impact to maintain a smooth workflow. These tips will enhance your patterning success.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.